For any long-haul driver, hours on the road can start to take their toll, and a costly incident can occur in the blink of an eye, making drowsy or distracted driving all the more risky for drivers, the companies they work for, and vehicles who share our roads. Enter Lytx ActiveVision, program enhancement from Lytx that can help you identify and correct drowsy and distracted driving habits across your fleet before they result in a collision. ActiveVision works with the Lytx DriveCam program, combining in-vehicle driver alerts with video coaching, so you can help prepare your drivers to avoid risk in the near term and change their driving habits for the long haul. Here's how it works. While the Lytx DriveCam program captures and tracks swerving, hard braking, and collisions, ActiveVision detects additional vehicle movements and subtle driving behaviors, like following distance, critical distance, and lane departures, all of which may indicate drowsy or distracted driving. How can this help your fleet? Let's say one of your drivers starts to slowly drift in and out of his lane, but isn't showing signs of erratic driving. ActiveVision's advanced risk detection technology can trigger an in-vehicle alert that can help the driver correct the behavior as it's happening. It can also capture video of the event that can be used in a coaching session to help improve the driver's awareness of safe driving habits and behaviors. ActiveVision's combination of machine vision and advanced analytics tracks the road ahead, lane markings, and position of other vehicles, together with information about the driver's location, actions, and vehicle movements, giving you contextual insight into what happened on the road and why. Help safeguard your fleet against the risks of drowsy and distracted driving by helping your drivers stay alert and aware of their habits behind the wheel with Lytx ActiveVision. Lytx, innovating driver safety since 1998.